Welcome to my airspace. Okay, so I'm here at a place where the beehives are, where someone has placed beehives, and I've been reporting on beehives now for over a year that I've been here in this area, in the orchards. Orchards are up there, and I came upon these hives, which I have been to before, and I noticed that they have this yellow stuff on it. Orangish yellow, goldenrod. And it's very light. And I think maybe they're plugging up holes, is what I'm guessing, because it reminds me of insulation. And at this time of morning, it was 43 when I left. To go on my walk at 6 o'clock. I have learned, I don't know this for a fact, I'm just going on what I've been watching, is the bees are pretty quiet when it's cold. They need to, so I don't hear any, I don't see any. Who knows whether maybe they're hibernating and they just come out when it warms up enough. They'll be out later. So a vast majority of these little guys have got this yellow stuff on it. And at first I thought maybe it was some beehive production of some sort. But I don't think so. And it's too bad that whoever did this, I don't know what it is, but whoever did it, there's a bunch of pieces of it on the ground, and all the pieces just seem to be about the same length, in the same position. Like 4 inches, 4 or 5 inches in the same spot. Maybe not all of them have it. I don't know. Maybe it helps with keeping cold air out or something, and it's on the bottom on all of them. I'm going to have to call the fellow up that owns this. Now this has it on it, but the hive is gone. Several of them do. Is someone stealing hives? Oh, I see there's more hives over here. Yeah, I wonder what kind of honey is produced by these hives. What brand they give it. It's hard to imagine that it could be organic when the hives are here in basically part of a garbage dump. But maybe that has no bearing on anything whatsoever at all. Okay, so beehives with yellow gunk on them. It's like a soft, foamy. It's very light, very, very light foam. I guess I could pick it up and feel it in my hands. How else would I feel it? Pick it up, feel it in my hands? Duh. Maybe I'll even take this with me. Huh, interesting stuff. Some kind of filler. Plug up the holes. It expands. Okay, make it a wonderful day. It's early January, and go out there and perform a random act of kindness. Pick up some trash. Love yourself. Give yourself a hug. Smile. Help somebody across the street. Carry somebody's groceries. Whatever. Okay, love you. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Yay or nay. Okay, bye. Thank you.